Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Season your steak with salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Prep your veggies by cutting the Brussels sprouts and broccoli. Season them with salt, pepper, garlic, and chili flakes. Bake these in your preheated oven for 30 minutes. While the veggies are roasting, make the creamy horseradish sauce. Combine equal parts of mayonnaise and sour cream, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, salt, pepper, 2 tablespoons of drained horseradish. Mix together until smooth. Heat a skillet over medium heat with a little bit of avocado oil. Sear the steak for about 5 minutes per side for a medium doneness. Warm your ciabatta bread in the oven for 10 minutes. When the steak is done cooking, let rest under foil for 15 minutes, then slice. Assemble your sandwiches with the creamy horseradish sauce, sliced steak, fresh arugula, Swiss cheese. Serve with the roasted vegetables. I dare you to give this one a try.